Good morning. Welcome to science class. This is our week at a glance. You always want to check here. It's at the very top of the page to tell you what's happening this week. So on Mondays, there's no assignments because it's a staff day. You may see a Monday schedule in the folders, but if your week at a glance says no assignments, follow the week at a glance. Tuesday, we'll have our daily check-in, which is today, and review of the class. Wednesday, we're going to do our daily check-in. We're going to have a science group assignment, and then we're going to do our pre-test for Unit 6. Thursday is a repeat, except for Unit 6, page 1 and page 2. So you'll need your Unit 6 anchor chart, and actually we're doing a higher level science, so you'll need to have access to all of your anchor charts. Okay. Now, I adjusted this and it should be, your week at a glance should have come up and it didn't. I don't know why. So if we go here, you'll see this week at a glance, slide 1. Hopefully that's what you'll continue to see. So I wanted to show you down here is additional assignments, and these are optional, but if you have extra time, so if we end early, you can do your additional assignments here. If you would like, you can take a break. And then when you go into Tuesday, schedule of assignments, remember you always open up your schedule. It will have everything you need to tell you where to go. The time, the learning target, your daily check-in link. The daily check-in link is different for each class. There's another video right in here to tell you what to do on your own when you arrive. We'll have a science group activity, and then we'll be working in our CAMI. So, pretty much that's everything for today. These are our anchor charts. They're all attached if you need them. If you go into your CAMI assignment, you will also find them there, and you can download them right here as a link. All right, I think that covers everything.